Hello everyone, today I have a contemporary tropical villa for us to explore. We are in Uluwatu on Indonesia's Bukit Peninsula. My name is Lucy, I'm from Hunting for George, and it's time to let us in. This house has a great open layout, which is very common in a lot of Balinese homes. It opens completely out to the garden, and the other feature is definitely these fantastic black iron doors. So these actually wrap the front and the side of the property. We enter through this central pivot, and what I love most is that it shows off more materials as well. So this is Sumbawan limestone, and I love the way it's on both the interior and the exterior. So it creates these really strong pillars to the front and all across the home. And then they've brought in this recycled teak on the ceiling, and I love the way this is just completely seamless from the inside out. It's just got these slight narrow channels for these doors, but otherwise it's one perfect floating roof. The other material that you'll notice is this terrazzo. It's got this slight blue undertone to it. It works beautifully paired with more timber as well. So this is handcrafted custom timber joinery for the kitchen. Again, that limestone continues here. It's very strong and textural. It works well with the softness and the simplicity of that plaster wall. But here is where you want to be, because this aspect from where I am, looking towards these limestone pillars, the doors, the pool, the garden, this is where you want to hang out. So this is the main bedroom. It very much has the prime position next to that pool. But what I really love about this is all the natural fibres in this space. There's also a lot of timber with the furniture, the bed heads, the beds themselves. And I like the addition of this rattan, the way this weaves through that cabinetry. Very Balinese, bringing in a lot of those natural fibres and textures. Not a tropical home without a pool, and this is beautiful, very sun-drenched, and then it's completely wrapped with very lush green. The bathroom here at the rear is very private. It's very common to have an outdoor bathroom in Bali. Very much have the climate for it. Consistency again with the materials. So again with that terrazzo and that custom deep basin that we've got. The limestone. It's got the integration of darker timber here, which I quite like. And you'll see we've got double showers, ceiling mount. And if you look very carefully, we've also got a couple of friendly feature frogs. Look, it's not a Balinese bathroom without the odd feature frog. Great bath. The toilet is tucked in around here for more privacy. It just, the way this, again, the teak ceilings, the way you feel so enclosed, those high walls, it just feels good. So the last of the bedrooms, this is literally the same concept and execution as that first bedroom, but it has a very different feeling because we are in a different side of the house. It's cooler, it's darker, we've got this jungle motif happening out here. So it is Bali. So I'm gonna cut up some dragon fruit because I'm hot, and why not? This could actually get quite messy. Oh, so good. contemporary take on a traditional Balinese style home. Characteristics of that is very much this indoor-outdoor living. The fact that it's hidden and tucked away behind this high wall compound, and multiple courtyards and gardens to enjoy just at different times of the day. This home belongs to Kat and John, a couple of American expats who now very much lovingly call Uluwatu home. And John actually has his own construction company, so he was very much involved in this project, and a lot of the materials that we see were actually repurposed. So they all came from leftover jobs and projects that he'd been working on, and they really tried to just make use of what they had on hand. The Sumbawan limestone, the recycled teak, they're both great examples of being able to repurpose leftover material and really give it new life. Timber is very much a feature in this home, not just in the furniture, but also within the cabinetry, also ironwood for the decking and the fascia, and the fact that that timber ceiling runs completely through this home, both from the outside to the inside. It's very seamless, it's very consistent, and I love the way they've carried that terrazzo through as well, from the kitchen into the bathroom, and the fact that it runs through all the floors. It feels very cool, very calm, and very collected. A few simple details in this home that I really quite love. The split systems have actually been concealed in the timber cabinetry, so a really smart way to actually hide that away, because aircon is very important while we are in Bali. The recessed terrazzo kitchen bench and that sunken sink, the way that terrazzo wraps around and just encases that little hole in the wall. And I think it just plays beautifully like a border to the rest of that strong timber cabinetry. The continuation of the teak ceiling into that outdoor bathroom, that really makes that bathroom feel cohesive and part of this home. The combination of materials really just work and sing together. But what wraps this home and brings it its life is very much the garden and those jungle surrounds. It's very lush and tropical. The fact that you have different aspects to enjoy it, from both bedrooms, from the bathroom, and obviously where I'm sitting now. It feels very protected. I think what I love most about this home though is its welcoming sensibility. You really do feel like you've arrived at home as soon as you walk through those doors. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. Let me know what you thought in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe. We've got plenty more home tours coming your way.